Bonjour, mes amis. Ça va? If you don't understand French, don't worry. Today, I am taking you into the heart of one of Africa's most powerful cultures, the Voodoo Festival of Benin Republic. Welcome to Benin Republic, the home of Voodoo. Benin Republic is a proud West African nation with over 14 million people. But Benin is not just a country, it is a spiritual capital of Africa. Every year on January 10th, thousands of people gather in Ouidah, the spiritual capital of Benin, to witness something truly special. The Voodoo Festival, also known as the Vodun Festival, is one of the largest and most important cultural events in Benin. This year alone, over 40,000 visitors came to experience authentic Vodun ceremonies that has been preserved for hundreds of years. The moments witnessed here are not performances, but sacred expressions passed down through generation, making the experience unforgettable for anyone who attends. My first stop in Ouidah is the famous Python Temple. This sacred place is one of the most important Vodun shrines in Benin. In Vodun tradition, pythons are not just animals, they are powerful symbols of protection, fertility, and spiritual strength. Inside the temple live dozens of royal pythons. These snakes are non-venomous and they are carefully cared for by the temple priest. Zangbeto means guardian of the night. They are known as the traditional guardians of the community. Long before modern police existed, Zambecto protected villages from thieves, evil spirits, and danger. When Zambecto spins continuously without getting dizzy or falling, it is seen as proof of its mystical nature. The movement symbolizes protection going around the community like a shield, rotating to guide the people. The spinning also creates excitement and fear at the same time, reminding everyone to respect the nature and authority of Zambecto. So every turn, every rotation is a message that the guardian is awake, powerful, and watching over the land. Another powerful moment for me is witnessing the Egungun masquerade. Egungun represents the spirit of their ancestors, and seeing it in person was intense and emotional. The layers of colorful clothes and the respect from the crowd showed how deeply ancestors are honored. It wasn't entertainment, it was a spiritual connection between the living and those who came before us. After all the excitement and intensity of the festival, I decided to slow things down by heading to the beach. This journey reminded me how rich and diversity our culture truly is. Thank you for watching to the very end of this video, and see you all in my very next one.